Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves reading on your iPhone, you're going to love today's video. I've got 7 amazing tips to boost your reading experience and make it more fun and convenient. So grab your iPhone and let's dive right in. Tip 1. Changing reading settings. First, open the Books app and launch any book you'd like to read. Next, tap the icon in the lower right corner of your screen. Then select Theme and Settings. Here, you can change the theme and adjust the font size and brightness. If you tap on Customize, you'll also be able to change the font style, line spacing, character spacing, and word spacing. Tip 2. Use the search feature. Tap on the screen, then tap the icon in the lower right corner again. Now select Search Book. Here, you can type a word and the app will show you every page where that word appears. If you type a page number, you'll be able to jump directly to that page. Tip 3. Looking at new words. If you come across a word you don't recognize, simply tap and hold the word. Then from the pop-up menu, select Look Up. It will instantly show you the definition of that word. Tip 4. Highlighting sentences. To highlight the important text, tap and hold the word. Then drag the 2 cursors to cover the sentence or paragraph you want to highlight. After that, tap on Highlight. You can change the highlight color or even underline the text if you prefer. Tip 5. Adding notes. Just before, tap and hold the words from the text you want to make notes of. Then drag the cursors to select sentence or paragraph. Next, tap Add Note. Then type in your note and tap Done to save it. Tip 6. Use the translation feature. If you need to translate a sentence, here's how to do it. Tap and hold the word in the sentence you want to translate. Then drag the cursors to cover the sentence. After that, tap on Translate. The sentence will now be translated for you. You can also tap here to switch the translation language. Tip 7. Setting a reading goal. Setting a reading goal can keep you motivated. Here's how you set it up. Go back to the home screen of the Books app. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find Reading Goal. Tap on it. Now select Adjust Goal. Next, choose how many minutes you want to read each day, then tap Done. And that's it. These 7 tips will help you get the most out of your reading on your iPhone. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.